Right guys, welcome back to the channel. It is now day 2 or part 2 of the CRUSTY Jazz work that's going to be happening. I'm down the unit again now to come see James. I've helped him put the suspension and stuff back on the back, so I've had a bit of a sneak peek, and I can tell you it's looking very, very good. We'll take you through in a minute and show you what's going on with it. So yeah, less talking, let's get to it. Right, so I've come through into the garage now. Issues behind me, you can sort of see a bit of a sneak peek of it. So I'll spin this camera around and yeah, I'll show you underneath. Right, so there she is. If you remember, it was absolutely disgusting, and it looks like it's done an amazing job. So there's the coilovers in. You can see it's got some drips there because what he's actually done is he's ice blasted the whole chassis, and he's used a rust converter. Was it Dinatrol, James?
Dinatrol RC900.
Yeah, Dinatrol RC900 for anyone that needs to know, or anyone that's into getting rid of some rust conversion. So yeah, as you can see, if you remember, it was absolutely disgusting. But yeah, he's used that. He's used the ice blasting machine, Dinatrol RC900, and then he's lana guarded everything to give it some protection. And I think the car weighs about another 10 kilos now with what's on it, how well it's protected. So as you can see,
10 kilo of rust.
yeah, 10 kilos of rust come off it, and now it's got 10 kilos of lana guard on. A little Holly, shop dog. But yeah, as you can see, it's done an amazing job. It's come up very, very well. Some on the exhaust, but that'll burn off. But yeah, very, very happy with it. Very happy. His back beam was very, very crusty. You can see on there. It's done a great job. So yeah, very, very happy. I'll lower the car down and I'll show you the engine bay now. Right, it's around the front now. Excuse the crappy eBay bonnet catchers. Got a scan with them on Marketplace. Just want to give it a lift up, mate. Jesus. Look at that. It's brand spanking. Yeah, I didn't expect him to do the engine bay, but he's absolutely gone above and beyond. It looks immaculate, and he's polished the headlights. He's really, really looked after this. Really done a good job. That headlight there looks brand spanking. He's done all the front, and he painted my bottom rad support, because that was crusty. I told him I was going to paint it, but he got bored and carried away. He thought it needed some love, so he sorted it out for me. So massive thanks. And then he lathered the crash bar. It's all battered and dented. I'm going to guess someone's had a bump in it before. But yeah, absolutely well pleased with it. Very, very clean. So we've put the arch lining plastic back in. He's cleaned all the arch lining plastic down. It literally looks brand spanking new. He's done inside and outside the arch lining. I'll put a little video up because I got a quick peek of it before it went back in. But yeah, exactly the same on the other side. You can see it, or you might be able to see it here. It's all inside the plastic liner. New clips on as well. He's really treated me here. And there we go, look. Everything coated. Nice, beautiful. Right, so one thing he also did was he cleaned out this rail. See if we can get the camera up there. Cleaned out that rail. Because last week, or before I brought it in, my boot was full of water. And anyone else that owns a Jazz knows that that is where they go. You can see the split in the panel. But he's kindly put some silicone sealant over it and sealed all the panel. Obviously now it's nice and clean. And he's done the same on the other side. So if you have a Jazz and it leaks water in the boot, it's probably going to be this. I don't know if you can see it up in there. That boot struts in the way, but yeah, same thing over here. And then just got to put those back on. The car's very dirty now because it's all the dust and stuff from me, and so it's going to have a wash tomorrow. But yeah, overall, great job. And he's also done these front arch liners, same as the rears. The camera's going to pick it up that well, but they literally look immaculate inside. That is one very clean arch liner. Perfect. And then wait for a ball. Hello. He's also done inside the rear. You see there, inside the rear bumper. And inside the front. It looks immaculate. And he's very kindly repaired. There's some plastic repairs there where it was cracked. So again, I said it before, but he's got above and beyond doing everything he needed to. But yeah, very, very happy. It's definitely something I'd consider doing if you were thinking about it. I would definitely pull the trigger and get it done. Right, so that's it for part 2. Gonna leave it there. I thought there's not gonna be a part 3. I don't seem to be needing one, other than I think we need to do some more videos on actually driving the Jazz, because I don't think we've actually done one yet. So I'll have to update the Jazz. Gonna take it for mapping and stuff, I think. Don't know when, but we'll have to find out. But yeah, we'll end this one there. I say a massive thank you to James. Evolution Dry Ice in Grimsby. So look that up. He's literally gone above and beyond doing what I expected him to do. You know, plastic repairing the stuff, new clips, new hardware in places, doing my headlights, doing the engine bay. Huge thank you to James. Big thanks to Dave. He's the one that brought the car up for me. Didn't have to, he volunteered to. So yeah, Dave, thanks a lot, mate. Really appreciate it. And thanks for Steve for over to so wherever he is doing some stuff with work and forcing me to make a video. So yeah, sound. Right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.